Welcome to Lemon Cone, where we are about to embark on a journey of flavors with the delightful recipe cheesy chicken buns. Begin by preparing the dough. In a mixing bowl, crack an egg, add some sugar and sprinkle some salt and mix together. Next, add flour, instant dry yeast and oil. Slowly incorporate lukewarm water until the mixture forms a soft. Now onto the magic of kneading. Dust your clean counter with flour, then gently stretch and knead the dough until it's soft and smooth. Place it in a greased bowl. Cover and let it brew for at least an hour, allowing it to rise to perfection. But before we continue, a humble request to subscribe and hit the bell for more recipes. While our dough is doing its thing, let's prepare a tantalizing filling. Heat some oil in a pan and saute chopped onion and chopped garlic until fragrant. Add in finely diced chicken pieces and cook until it changes color. Season with salt, cumin powder, black pepper powder, paprika powder, and tomato paste, letting the flavors melt together. Once the chicken is tender, let it cool before adding a hearty amount of cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Along with some freshly chopped cilantro. Back to our rising dough, give it a gentle punch to release any air bubbles. Then divide it into 8 equal portions. Roll each into a ball and let them rest for another 15 minutes. Once rested, flatten each ball. Spoon in the savory chicken and cheese filling and set them into irresistible bundles of joy. Place them in a greased baking dish and let them rest once more than 15 minutes to achieve the perfect texture. Now it's time to infuse our kitchen with the aroma of freshly baked goodness. Brush each one with the egg yolks. Sprinkle some sesame seeds for that extra crunch and pop them into a preheated oven set at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Can you smell that heavenly fragrance? Once out of the oven, give our buns a luscious coat of melted butter, cover and let them rest for 5 minutes to achieve that ultimate softness. And voila, our cheesy chicken delight buns are now ready to steal the show. Perfect for a lunchbox or elegant high teas. These flavorful creations are sure to delight every palate. If you have enjoyed baking along with us, don't forget to like, share and leave your feedback in the comments below. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling.